Yes. Let us discuss example number 3. Let us take an example number 3. Here, the example is in a circle of radius 4.5 centimeter, draw two radii such that the angle between them, between the radii is 70 degree, and construct the tangents at the end, at the non-center ends of the radii. This is the question. Okay. So as per the question, first we should draw a circle of radius 4.5 centimeter by using the same compass and take the measurement, draw a circle of radius 4.5 centimeter, already which is drawn. Now next point here is we have to draw two radii here such that both the radii make what degree angle in between them? 70 degree. So at the center both the radii should make an angle of 70 degree. So first of all let us mark one radii. Anyhow you can take your anywhere, just for our convenience this is better. Straight. So this is a radii. OA is one radii. Okay. We will take another radii which makes an angle of 70 degree with this radii. This is radii number 1. We will take another radii. Okay. Such that the angle between those two radii is 70 degree. So let us mark it here. 70 degrees. Join it. 70 degree. So this much is sufficient for, because they are told angle between the radii. Let us name this radii as B. Angle between it is 70. This is what the second part of the question. That is, in a circle of radius 4.5 centimeter, draw two radii such that the angle between them is 70 degree. Now just see here in the question how they have given us the point on the circle. This is radii, this is radii. Both the radius non-center end. This is the center end. The radius has two ends. This is the center end, this is non-center end. This is another radius. This is the non-center end, this is the center end. They are telling us to draw the radii, to draw the tangents at the non-center end. This is the non-center end, this is the non-center end. Means you have to draw the tangent here and here. So, indirectly in the question they have told us to draw the tangents to the circle at 2 points on the circle. So, this is the way they have asked the question instead of asking it directly. So, anyhow, both the points are on the what? Circle. Both the points are on the circle, and everybody knows that if the point is on the circle, how to draw the tangent. Procedure is again same. Keep the compass at the point, take any radius, okay, draw a semicircle. You are very good at. Keep the compass again here. Cut this as. You are knowing it. Cut it. Further, the intersect here. Another one more is the intersector. Here, finish. Just join it. This is tangent number 1 at the non-center end of the radii. This is the tangent number 1. This much is sufficient. No need to produce. If you want, you can produce, otherwise you can just take it here. So let me name this tangent as M or MA. Okay. One more tangent you have to draw here, because another radii. Because as per the question, they have told us to draw the tangents at the non-center end. This is the non-center end. Another side radius. Again here you have to draw one semicircle. Okay, of any radius. Give the compass here. Okay. Take any radius. Draw the semicircle. Let me clarify you here. As it is whiteboard, the compass is not working properly here. After that, same procedure again. Keep the compass here. Mark two arcs. one, another here. Okay, both are cut here. Actually, this semicircle has become shorter. Let us extend the semicircle, because before only you have to draw it extra. After that, keep the compass here. They will intersect at a point. Come on, join. This is the another tangent to the circle at the point. So this is tangent number 2 at a non-center. Let us name it as x. So xb is one tangent and ma is another tangent. So here let us write xb and ma are the required tangents. Okay, so as per the question, we have drawn the tangent. In all these three examples, just see that the points are on the circle. The points are on the circle, and at that point you have to draw a tangent. And already I have told in the first example, if you want to draw the tangent at the point, then you have to draw a perpendicular at that point. One more thing for your verification, you measure this angle. You will find that this angle will be always 90 degree. Here also, this angle will be how much degree? 90 degree. Correct. So these are the two tangents. One more clarification, you can just take up to the what? Point of contact, or you can produce it further. Here also, you can just take up to the point of contact, you can produce this line further. So this is the way how to draw the tangents to the circle when the point is on the circle. Okay. So in this way, you will ask the different types of example in a different way. So let us discuss the next point in the next video.